my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make flowers using our index finger on a bottle. I'm using red and white here. I'll just dip my index finger in here. Like this. For the leaves, I'll be using these 3 shades of green. I'll mention all the colors in the description box below. Now I'll be using yellow and orange for the green bottle. I'll be making a flower with white and a bit of yellow combination. For this bottle, I'll be using 3 colors to make the flowers. Once the paint is absolutely dry, then we'll use this Fevicryl Mod Podge gloss to secure the paint. Very gently use the Mod Podge on the flowers. These bottles are going to look lovely for the upcoming festive season. You can put lights, and these can be part of home decor or as gifts to friends and relatives. This is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back again with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.